Hey guys, welcome to Big Tech's Ordnance, and this is the weekly update. Guys, we got a couple good things on the table this week for the update. We have, first off, Kratos Design Group alignment rods. We have now out 30 cal alignment rods, so you don't turn your can into a hand grenade. So we have 5.56, we have 6mm, and now 30 cal. So check them out, affordable. Everyone should have one if you have a can. Speaking of suppressors, we have the HUXWRX suppressor cleaning kits. These aren't the full kits, these are replenishment. So you're gonna have the fluids and the powders to clean your suppressors. There's enough for 3 more rounds of cleaning. So HUXWRX Design replenishment kits for cleaning your suppressors. Then we have the Trajectory Arms Armors kit. We have the Pro and the Basic. This has all the greases and thread lockers that you need to assemble an AR. So there is a slight difference when it comes to the two kits. The Pro has the couple extra greases and Loctites in them, but check those out, they're on the website. Guys, we have swag. We have Dead Bird Society t-shirts, Badged Ordnance t-shirts, Magpul t-shirts, Surefire t-shirts, Modlite t-shirts, Big Tech's Ordnance t-shirts. Check out the website for all the swag that you've ever wanted in your life. And last but not least, Modlite. We got a full Modlite restock pretty recently. On the table we have the new PL350C from them, but we got handhelds, weapon mounted lights, pistol lights, rifle lights, switches, mounts, everything. So check out the website for Modlite and Modlite accessories. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you. Like, subscribe, drop a link in the comments, drop a comment in the comments. Go forth and conquer, be safe. Check out the website for what you need. Thank you, appreciate you, be safe. I miss you, I miss your mom, I miss your grandma, I love you. Go away, go away. We're done with this. We're done. If you don't want it, I'm sorry for your loss.